Hello. In this video, we will see about motherboard. So motherboard is a central hub which connects all the components of computer. So motherboard is a main circuit board of any computer. It holds CPU, memory, and your connectors. It also provides communication path for all the components. So key components of motherboard include the CPU socket, RAM slot, storage connector, and power connectors. So CPU socket will hold your CPU. Similarly, RAM slot will hold all your RAMs, and you might have different storage devices that can be connected to your computer through storage connectors. Also, for powering your computer, you need some power connection, so that also is there in a motherboard only. So how motherboard connects everything is through the use of buses. So a bus is like a path for data to flow. So everything happens through bus in motherboard, and then this bus is used for transferring the data between CPU, RAM, storage, and other peripheral devices. And the chipset manages all the communication. Motherboard is very important component of your computer. It decides the compatibility of different parts. Your RAM and CPU and all other components should be intercompatible. If they are not compatible, they won't know how to talk to each other. So motherboard decides which parts are compatible. And also motherboard affects performance of your computer, and it also limits your upgrade options. Since data flow happens through the motherboard, if motherboard is not very highly performant, then your performance won't be very good, even though you have very good components. Also, if you have very good a motherboard, you will have a lot of upgrade options for RAM and CPU. Also, this enables communication between the components through the buses, as we have already seen.